I use this glove?
Huh? Skokie.
Skokie dispatch to Skokie Public Works. If you can hold the air
That's
for
this much.
Let's go. So that means we're good.
That's just some dispatch.
Wait, it doesn't matter.
Alrighty, we are now in Skokie, Illinois with Nestor.
What's up? Cool Science with S&T here.
Fuck.
Connected.
Can you switch to blink? Do you have foam gloves?
What?
Do you have foam gloves?
No.
Your gloves do that?
What thing?
Like, cause I need
You know,
this.
Tim. Just kidding.
Alright, we are now in Skokie, Illinois. This is terrible.
Terrible. Please go off.
Nestor,
Please go off.
shut up, because the time is coming.
59 still. And
6 people.
yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm telling you, it's not that loud. See ya. Still going. There you go. That was awesome. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. That's awesome. Well,
You're so literate.
well, my scanner kind of freaked out. Oh my god, that was awesome. No, my phone! My phone! I didn't even realize. Holy sh... What?
It better tell me you recorded it. I mean, you have BTS.
Yeah, I do got BTS. And it's still going. Well, that was it, y'all. Cool Science on S&T. Signing out with another successful test. Well, not test, well, sound off. But yeah, look. Everything around us, awesome as fuck. Oh, okay. Not that bad, though. Alright. Cool Science on S&T. Signing off.